Good morning, everyone. Welcome to What's in the Shop Wednesday, where we take you behind the scenes. If you are a shop owner watching this, send me an email, josh@blackoutempire.com. We have something really cool for you to help you grow your shop. Let's start in the tint bay today. We've got Terrell. Some say he's the best tinter on this side of the Mississippi. Some might even say in the United States. Terrell's an excellent tinter here at our Latrobe tint team. He is doing this Toyota Tundra all the way around. And we've got some fun projects today. We've got some cabinets that are going up this afternoon to replace these old ones that are on the floor in our detail bay. They were looking ugly. We realized we want those up off the floor. We're doing some building maintenance. All that kind of stuff starts to happen this time of year when we slow down just a hair. Gives us a minute to breathe. We like it. Got a GMC Denali. This one's polished, ceramic coated, ready to go home. And Caleb is working on Gordon's ZR1. This is the one from Maine. We did paint protection film on a lot of this car. Now the remainder of it is getting polished and ceramic coating, and Gordon's coming down to pick this thing up tomorrow. So we're gonna have it looking probably better than showroom new by tomorrow. Nissan, what is that? Rogue. Man, they keep changing the Japanese SUVs. Nissan Rogue, this one got paint protection film, window tint. It's next up for ceramic. And a Honda Ridgeline, not Pilot. Almost a Pilot, but with a truck bed. This one got window tint, and now we are doing a chrome delete. So laying some vinyl to remove the chrome around the windows. That will be wrapped up, no pun intended, today. In front of that is a cool truck, a Rumblebee. You guys probably saw this last week. This time it's looking a lot better. It's polished, coated. Look at those wheels. Shining better than new. We installed a bunch of graphics on this, the Rumblebee graphics on the bed, as well as underneath the doors, and did paint protection film on the front end, as well as the rocker panels, everything custom cut. Aaron and Max are the masters that make that happen. We tinted the windows as well. I almost walked right past the Z06 on the lift. It's got the carbon wheels. You can see those nice and close when it's in front of your face. This one's getting a full wrap, paint protection film, and a ceramic coating. 10 mil, so the best protection money can buy, the thickest protection money can buy from Expel. And in the wash bay, we have a Shelby F-150. Very cool truck, belongs to our friend Chip. It's back for its annual inspection. So we're doing a wash, decon bath if it needs it, clay bar if necessary, and then we put a ceramic boost on top from Expel. That's just the yearly maintenance plan for ceramic coatings. Let's see what's outside. Outside, we have a couple cool cars. AMG GT, this looks like a brand new one. We're doing a stealth conversion to this. So a full paint protection film wrap with a satin finish film. So clear, but satin finish. You're gonna still see this nice, beautiful factory silver color, still see all the metal flake and all of that stuff, but it's not gonna be shiny anymore. We love stealth. We think it looks awesome, plus you get the protection. Getting the windows tinted as well. I'm assuming a ceramic coating, but I actually don't know that. Right beside it, it's a Challenger RT wide body in F8 green. Got window tint, next up for ceramic. Beside the Challenger is a Hyundai, I wanna say this is an Elantra. This car holds a very sentimental value to a really great customer and friend of ours. And we're actually gonna be tinting the windows on this. This is a car they're never going to get rid of for some personal reasons. Right beside this is a Jeep Gladiator. We're gonna be doing some vinyl on the hood of that. That's it for what's happening in Latrobe. Let's see what's happening in Pittsburgh and Miami.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. In the showroom is a 2019 Mazda Miata. This was involved in not one, but two accidents. So we had to redo both sides of the vehicle, redid some paint protection film on the front of the vehicle, and recoated both sides. Next up is a brand new Audi A5. This got full window tint on all the side windows, the back window, and the visor. We also polished out the entire vehicle and applied a 4-year Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Next up is another insurance job, this one on the front bumper. We took off the paint protection film, reapplied the paint protection film, and then reapplied the 4-year coating to the front bumper. Up on the lift, we have a 2024 Chevy Colorado, another vehicle from our friends at IBS Builds. This is in for a protection package, we're calling it. It's a partial front, door cups, door sills, top of the bed sides, top of the tailgate, A-pillars, and roof. So all the high-risk areas the vehicle will be seeing out on the job sites are now protected. Outside we have a Honda Civic. This was in for a paint correction and ceramic coating about 2 weeks ago. So it's back in for its 2-week wash and inspection. That is all for Gibsonia. We'll see you guys back here next week.
Hey guys, what's going on? This is Kayla here with Blackout Tinting South Florida, and today I'm going to be showing you what's in the shop, so come on. Now here we have is a 2023 Corvette Stingray. This customer has brought his car back for his yearly inspection. He already had a full PPF wrap done with the Ultimate Plus film and a full ceramic coating with the Fusion Plus. Now we're just gonna go ahead and inspect it, reapply the ceramic boost, and get it nice and ready for him once again. This is a 2024 Tesla Model 3. This car is getting picked up today. It was fully wrapped in vinyl and gloss black. Now this car was pretty tricky because we changed the color from white to black. So this means the installation has to be as clean as possible and all edges have to be tucked because you don't want any white to show underneath the vinyl wrap. Is a 2022 Corvette C8. This customer is Mr. Davis. He is a good friend of ours and he's brought this Corvette back to us multiple times. Now we already tinted it and did a full front clip, but now we are adding some PPF to the front splitters and the side splitters as well. This is a 2024 Tesla Cybertruck. Now this customer specifically requested us to wrap the car in satin black PPF. Now, as you can see, we're still applying it as the front bumper is missing. We're going to add that on today. Believe it or not, Cybertrucks are one of the easier cars to wrap. They're a lot of fun and it's super cool when you are able to change the colors of them. This is a 2024 Tesla Model 3. Now, this customer paid through the new Tesla deal and campaign online, so they already paid for their tint. So now today, we just got them scheduled to come on in. We are tinting the full vehicle in the Prime XR Plus in 20%. This is our tinter Alfredo, so he already heat shrunk the film to the windows. Now he is currently prepping the windows and cleaning them to get them ready to lay down the film for the installation.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are local to the Latrobe area, you are not going to want to miss our trunk or treat. Every year we do this, we bring hundreds of kids. We've got all kinds of cool cars, free food, free candy. It's a blast for everybody. Stop out and check us out the 25th from 6 to 8. See you there.